Okay, so I have created your Microsoft Word. Make sure you read the feedback, and overall, pretty okay, I guess. Some of you might need to do reformat your resume. The other assignment for writing, I don't really reduce, okay? But make sure you explain each one of them instead of just list them. I mean, just a couple of students. So anyway, this is our assignment for this week. So we'll get into Excel. Excel is a pretty good application. We use it everywhere. All the businesses, they use it. So make sure you really get into it. Of course, this class is a very foundational class. So general explanations are from quick start all the way down here to here. Of course, in our line, if you're in mechanical engineering technology or any engineering technology field, you have to use Excel very heavily, okay? So I want you to put more time, even if you pass this course, make sure you put time to learn Excel. It's a very powerful application, okay? Your tutorial videos, 95 all the way to 164. Make sure you put your name on it. I do check when we get to the final grade, and if I'm reducing about 5 points if you don't do this, okay? Yes, these are very small, very short videos. We call them shorts. So do that, yeah? Okay, and your exercise is going to be right here in the activity. So if you go to assignment, you know how to turn in. Yeah, just put your name on it so I know you have completed your reading and also your writing. It is a report, so I do not want colored background on your report. So make sure don't use a colored background. Of course, if you're developing like brochure or a card or other form of documents, it's okay, yeah. But for academic writing, so just use a boring white background, yeah, that would be great. Anyway, your test is gonna be right here. Make sure you take it on time, yeah. It's gonna be this Sunday. We're gonna cut it off at 11:59 p.m. If you have questions, please email me, and I'm gonna be there, and I will definitely answer that. If you need to see me, we can Zoom, okay, or Team, yeah, whatever you wanna, whatever application you wanna use for conferencing. So anyway, I think it's doable, even if it's very intensive for 4 weeks. I'm pretty happy with your work last week, okay? So let's keep up with a good work, and I'll talk to you, okay, next week.